Hello, this is Wenxin Zhao and Bowen Huang. We would like to introduce our visualization project. This project is about the finances of public education system in the United States. In the year of 2012, the United States spent over $500 billion on public education. Public elementary secondary education finances as a single financial activity spends a large amount of money from the governments, which draws our attention to deeply mine the real story about this kind of education systems. We think the answer to where this school system receive funds and how they spend the money can be very interesting. If you are also interested in such topic, check out our visualization at www.scf.usc.edu/TOVOWENHU.
Now let's take a look at what this website looks like. Our visualization includes three major infographics and some facilitative information. To begin with, the first view of our prototype is an info page. It shows the background information of our visualization, including topic of the visualization, creators, and data source. In this view, by clicking Explore, it directs to the main content, or by clicking the data source, it redirects to our data source page. After clicking Explore, the visualization at national scales pops up.
In this page, we deployed two infographics. Let's look at the first graph. It's called Public Elementary Secondary School System Revenue by Source and Year. This graph is based on the bar chart. It shows the revenue at national scales from 2002 to 2012, and we use different color to distinguish the revenue source from federal, states, and local governments. You can make it view in grouped style or stack style. By hovering on the bar, a tooltip will pop up to show the details including source, year, and money. The second graph shows the detail of revenue and expenditure in 2012, demonstrating the latest data the U.S. Census published. In the revenue side, which is the left graph, it shows how the revenue sources contribute to each state. In addition, the expenditure side, which is the right graph, it illustrates how each state spends its money as current spending, capital outlay, and others. For one thing, you can interact this graph from the sources and the cost side to see how they compose the overall money in the national scale. For another, the graph can view in the state level by clicking each state to see how such states get and spend money.
After viewing the national scale page, you can click the hyperlink at the end of the page or click Map View at the navigation bar. This map view allows people to mine detailed data of each state. There are several components in this view, including a serial map, a sidebar menu, and a detailed view of each state. You can choose one the serial map to show category, which is expenditure or revenue, and year from 2002 to 2012. Deeper the color, higher the amount of money. By sweeping across the map, a small tooltip will pop up to show the money in states. Furthermore, by tapping a state, a detailed view will appear from the button to show the fluctuation of the data in such state. We also provide a switch button for comparing the state data with the average level of the whole nation. In addition, by clicking the arrows at those two sides, you can quickly change the category to be expenditures or revenue.
We hope you like our visualization and have fun with it. Besides, we are glad to say that our project is open source. If you have any brilliant idea, shine it off. Check out our GitHub repository, fork it, and play around.